Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Coco Curls and thank you so much for tuning in. Today is going to be a DIY mask or hair conditioning treatment that I'll be doing with aloe vera. So I'll be incorporating this into my routine for the next couple of washes, and I want to see how it will improve the health and state of my hair and if it will help in hair growth. So let's get into it. For the hair treatment, you're going to need aloe vera plant, of course, and I'm using approximately half of this aloe vera. I'm not going to use the entire thing. So the first thing you want to do is just to rinse it off, and then you're going to remove the sides of the aloe vera. So that's the parts that's sticking at the side. Aloe vera is said to have a lot of benefits. It's said to promote hair growth, prevents itching on the scalp, and reduces dandruff, and it's an overall excellent conditioner for the hair. So it has a lot of benefits. So if you suffer from anything like these, you can definitely incorporate it into your routine. For the purpose of this video, of course, I want to use it for hair growth and overall improving the health of my hair. So I'm not going to use the entire thing. I'm going to just cut off a portion of it to use. I'm removing that part as well. And I'm going to use approximately 3 pieces cut in half. So about 3 medium-sized pieces I'll be incorporating into this tutorial or into this treatment that I'll be doing. So after I've cut the aloe vera, I am going to then slice it in the middle. You can, if you want, to incorporate this or take out the gel and put it in a blender, but I think it's easier to work with if you just take the actual plant and use it directly. If you blend it, it may be a little bit harder to manipulate and apply to your hair, but that's an option that you have. I'm going to use approximately 6 pieces. I'm starting the process on freshly washed or shampooed hair. I haven't applied anything else to it, and I'm applying the aloe vera as some form of a mask treatment. I'm going to section off my hair into roughly 4 sections to make it just easier for me to apply the gel or to apply the aloe vera gel to my hair. And I'm going to section this even smaller to make the process easier, as well as ensure that I'm covering all aspects of my hair as well as directly to my scalp like this. I'm just going down the length of my hair. Once it gets dry like that, I'm just going to just pinch it or pierce the area with my fingernail, which will just create more gel. Just do that. Just keep punching it. If you have a spoon or a knife, not a knife, but a fork, you can punch it with that as well. So in Jamaica, we call aloe vera Cinco Bible, and for a very long time I shied away from using aloe vera directly into my routine because when I was younger, my mother made me drink it, would blend it up and make me drink it, and it was very, very bitter. Even now, all I can remember when I'm smelling the aloe vera is just the bitter taste, how bitter it tastes. And it wasn't until I was like way older in life that I was told that the gel itself is not that bitter, but I still don't trust that. So right, I'm just applying it directly, still rubbing it on my scalp. I want to really get in. I mean, aloe vera is said to be a film forming humectant. So what that means is that it really helps moisture bind to your hair, and it's not a simple humect. It tends to keep the moisture in your hair much longer, and it binds to your hair. So in Jamaica, this like grows everywhere. Like you can go outside and probably see aloe vera on the road. I got this from my mother. I just asked her, I said to her, I wanted some aloe vera, where I can get some, if you have any. She said yep. So got that from her, but you can easily find this anywhere in Jamaica. If you're overseas, chances are you might have to, if you don't have the plant in your house, you might have to just buy. Going back through my entire head and applying it to the ends. My hair has literally soaked up everything. Leave this on for 1 hour just for everything to soak in, and I'm gonna put my hair in a plastic cap for the 1 hour, and then I'll come back after that and rinse out and show you how it looks after I've rinsed out everything. But this is how it looks after I've applied the aloe vera. It will itch your scalp a little bit, but it's not a significant itch where it feels overwhelming. I'm just putting something over it to apply, just to keep in that heat. My hair immediately after rinsing, I've applied nothing else to it, and this is how it's looking. It looks very shiny. There are still like some small clumps, but nothing significant. But this is how my hair is looking. It looks so nice and feels so nice as well. It feels amazing. And turn to the back so you can see from the back how it's looking. So I'll be applying this to my hair every wash day for the next probably 4 wash days or 3 wash days, and I'll come with another update to show you. So if I'll do just a random length check, let's see, hold on, it's right here. you the updates and how it looks, but my hair feels so fortified, so strong, but yet still so soft and just nice. And there was no scent left after I rinsed out, and it just smells fresh and clean. But I'm loving it. I really love how my hair feels and how healthy it looks. Alright guys, until next time, please remember to like, subscribe and share, and let me know in the comments if you've tried it, what you think. Just keep me posted. Until next time.